We're just stretching, getting ready for the
getting
buzz.
Loose. Talking what's buzzing in Baltimore tonight. You got to get loose for that.
Yeah.
Wrapping up Valentine's Day weekend with a bang, we'll say. After 5 months and 1,000 volunteers, the heart of Baltimore, ready to go up. You may remember we showed you this work of art before, 8 feet tall, 6 feet wide. The downtown partnership teamed up with Art with a Heart for the project to celebrate its 20th anniversary. Now, the goal was to create something for the community by the community, and it'll go up along Pratt Street, right between Charles and Hanover Street.
That really is special. All right, if you love donuts, this one is for you. Food and Wine out with this list of the best in every state. And from Maryland, I hope I don't say this wrong, it's Crumpy's Donuts in Hagerstown.
Ooh. The
magazine says you don't find a destination worthy of a donut shop in Residential Alley every day, let alone one that has stayed open since 1950.
Wow.
In a pandemic, that is impressive. So if you're a morning person and you want that donut, this place is for you. They actually open up every night at 7, which I think nighttime donuts might be better.
You know what? We're on the night shift.
It's a different vibe,
okay?
you know?
We're not morning people. To wash it all down, more sweets. You know we got you covered. Full Tilt Brewing. They're taking milk and cookies and transforming it into a beer. So here's the deal. It is called the Cat's Pajamas Cookies and Cream. It is a chocolate stout brewed with chocolate sandwich cookies and lactose. Reviews say it tastes like Oreos, Nicole.
That sounds good.
You can try it for yourself now in their Baltimore tap room or get it delivered to your front door.
I am intrigued.
Maybe this stout and some donuts.
There we go.